start with 1 cup of almonds that were soaked overnight, okay? I do not use raw almonds with the skins. I actually use blanched sliced almonds. That's my first tip for you, because for 2 reasons. First of all, much easier and will soak more evenly, okay? And you want to take them and you want to make sure you rinse them really well. And the other reason is because the skin of the almond contains tannins, which prevent the complete absorption of nutrients. So you could use the skins, you could leave them on, you know, it'll make a nice almond milk. But if you're looking for the healthiest way to do it, definitely you want to take the skins off. So you can either get, like I said, some raw almonds, go ahead and soak them overnight with 1 cup. Or you can, and then the next morning, the skins do come off really, really easily, but for the purpose of my almond milk, I prefer to use these almonds because they're already sliced and the skin is already off. And I just feel that's a shortcut that really helps out a lot. So we're gonna take our high-speed blender. I use a Vitamix. Any high-speed blender will work just fine. And you want to put in here your almonds. And to that, we're going to add 4 cups of filtered water. Okay? So we're just going to take 4 cups of water. Okay, so I really don't like my almond milk very sweet, so I'm going to be using some pitted dates. And I'm just going to use 1.5. You can use 2, 3, 4, however sweet you like your almond milk. Now, before you put the dates into your almond milk, you do need to soak them. I took a 1.5 dates and I soaked them in some very, very hot water just for 15 minutes, but it's enough to make them nice and soft. If you skip this, it won't be quite as creamy, so definitely want to soak your dates for at least 15 minutes, okay? So they're soaked, and we're gonna pop those in, okay? Now, at this point, if you really like yourself some, more flavorful milk, you can add some vanilla bean, some strawberries, some cocoa, whatever it is that you think that, your palate would really enjoy. And we're gonna put that on our blender, and we're gonna blend it up for starting with maybe about 30 seconds. Because of the dates and all, I'm gonna give it about another 15, 20 seconds. And also, if you like, at this point, you can put a little pinch of salt. I like a little pinch. I'm gonna add that. Boom. Okay, and pop that back on for about another 30 seconds. Okay, now we're gonna move on to our nut bag. So, got this from Amazon. I will leave it on the description below. I'll give you a link to this. This is a really, really good, nice nut bag. Okay, so you wanna take a bowl and your nut bag, and you want to leave it right inside the bowl there. And we take our almond milk and you just pour it right inside of that nut bag. Okay. Now you take the nut bag and you squeeze and you squeeze. Squeeze until you get all of that delicious almond milk out of the nut bag. That is all of the pulp that was left in the almond bag. Now I'm just gonna toss this, but if you have some cool ways to use the pulp, I would love to see it in the comments below. But that is why you need a nut bag, because that stuff definitely needs to be strained out to make a good almond milk. So I just wanted to show you the inside of the nut bag after it's squeezed. Now for the taste test. Cheers! It's perfect. I absolutely love it. Just the right amount of sweetness for me, and it's just delicious. So enjoy, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next week. So in the meantime, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.